Welcome! We're diving into the absolute basics of coding, your first toolkit. So, what exactly are these tools, and why are they so important?
Well, that pile of books, that's what your data looks like without structure. Total chaos.
Data structures are that organization system. They bring order to the chaos. So, it all starts with a simple label. This is called a data type. First, you've got integers. These are just your basic whole numbers for counting stuff. Then there are strings. Think of these as any text, like a name or a message. And finally, Booleans. They're super simple, just true or false. A simple yes or no. So here they are, all together. These are your most fundamental building blocks for data. Okay, but what happens when you need to group different types of info together? That's where a record comes in. Think of it like a digital index card. And using one is a simple 3-step recipe. Define the blueprint, declare it, and access it. Here's what that looks like. We're creating a blueprint for a person, then making one. Okay, that's great for one person, but what about a whole list of items? For that, we use something called an array. It's basically a numbered list. This code, for example, creates a scores array that can hold 100 integers. So here's the bottom line. Records hold different types. Arrays hold the same type. But here's where the real magic happens when you put them both together. Check this out. It's an array of records, a whole list of those digital index cards. Why do this? Well, it keeps your data tidy and makes it way easier to manage. And just like that, you've got your first coding toolkit: types, records, and arrays. So think about it. How would you use these new tools to organize your own movie collection?